Quick shout out to the dealers on how to sign up for one-click auto auction. It's simple. Go to the website. Right in the middle of the page in green, it says quick sign up. You pick your agent's name. I'm going to pick Fox Dealer Services. Then the name of the company is going to be ABC Motors LLC. The domain's going to be ABC Motors LLC.com. Almost done. Dealer's license. If you don't know your dealer's license, just put in P1111151 and we know to go back and get that from you. The phone's number. That's going to be to the store. Street address. We're almost done. The only thing we like after this is putting in the admin information. And we'll put my name. Now this is critical because this is the person that can add or delete employees. Mobile phone number. This is the one that goes to your phone because it's dedicated just to your phone. And then last but not least, your feed provider, which would be either Dealer Car Search, vAuto, which I'm going to use vAuto. Hit done. You hit I'm not a robot and hit register. And you're done. Takes less than about a minute, minute and a half if you've got your information in front of you. Most people know your addresses. The only thing is the dealer, your dealer's license, which if you put P1111, we'll come back and fill that in for you. All right, you are signed up. Congratulations.